Artemis Klinikada Doktor Gorodikçe bilen sohbet kelyapman. Bu Artemis Klinikada in galawni baracha deske bolalar, katta bolalarga ilik ko'chiradi, aplastik anemiya nima durgulta hamma soha bo'yicha yordam beryapti. Hozir biz bu yerda keldik intervyu olish uchun.
Hello friends, my name is Dr. Gaurav Dikshit. I am a hematologist and bone marrow transplant specialist. I work in Artemis Hospital Gurgaon and I am heading department of hematology. Our department deals with various kind of blood disorders like benign blood disorders including aplastic anemia, thalassemia and sickle cell anemia. We are also treating various blood cancers like multiple myeloma, lymphoma and leukemia. Plus, we are also actively involved in doing bone marrow transplants, uh, autologous BMT, allogenic BMT, haploidentical transplant in pediatric and adult age group. And recently, from last 1.5 2 years, we have also started CAR T cell therapy, and it gives us a very good treatment against relapsed and refractory lymphomas and leukemias. In case you have any doubt or you want to discuss anything, you are most welcome to connect with us. Thank you.
Sizda nima savol bor?
Bu kishini gapini ham tarjima qilib qo'yishingiz kerak o'zbekistonliklarga. Bu
Hozir men aytaman, savol ayting.
savol bu sohani endi men o'zimni gaplarimni kiritaman. Asosiy nima bo'lishi kerak? Qanaqa jarayon boshlanganda kelish kerak? Qanaqa jarayonlarda o'zi bo'lyapti? O'shani tushuntirib nima bo'lsa bu vaziyat boshlanadi. Boshlanish, davom etish, tugash.
सर इनका ये है यानी बिरिंची डायग्नोस करने बिला में सर ये डायग्नोसिस कैसे होता है? जैसा आपने बताया अप्लास्टिक एनीमिया या लिथीमिया या कैल्शियमिया या कार्टी सेल जिसको ज़रूरत होती है, डायग्नोसिस सिम्टम क्या होते हैं?
Diagnostic symptoms are very particular and peculiar. Patients will have symptoms of anemia. Patients may suffer from weakness, fatigue, or chest pain. It may be slow in onset, or it may be very short duration illness. With anemia, a few patients have bleeding episodes also. Patients can have bleeding from gums, from skin, from anywhere of any part of the body, which is also a very typical symptom of blood cancer. Third symptom that we usually see in blood cancer is fever, because fever is caused due to deficient immunity in the body, and blood is one of the organ which gives body its immunity. So patients have fever and infections very commonly. In lymphomas, few patients have lymph nodes or swellings over neck, over axilla. In myeloma, multiple myeloma, patients can come with lower back pain, body pain, or kidney failure. So these are the common symptoms of blood cancers which we should look for.
और जो डॉक्टर का सवाल बेर रहे हैं कि सिम्टम निमा चक्कना का सिम्टम बिलादा तो डॉक्टर का आयत गाने कान अगर किम दुर्गा यानी निमा ogre kemas istema çıksa yok ki limfoma dane bu ya da isip ketganikan yok ki juda zayıf bolada suna kanarsa bulsa yok ki kon cases badandan hiç kanaka joydan kon cases bulsa yok ki बार-बार सुधरिया बेरियाप्ता बार-बार रंग ओजगारिस बोलियाप्ता किजिलदान ok bolish gerek o kok bolyapta suna ka holatda ungat सो सिम्टमला चिकादा सेकंड ओ तेज का सालिक बोला था अपकाला ओग्री बोला था बुनाका नरसा का करब यानी सुना का प्रॉब्लम चिकित्सा का एहतिमाल बोर
Endi bitta narsa ilik ko'chirish kerak deydi-yu. Ilik ko'chirish shart bo'lmagan holatlar ham, masalan, ilik ko'chirish kerak deydi O'zbekistonda yoki boshqa joyda aytsa-yu, o'shani davolash yo'llari ham bormi? O'zinikini, ko'pchilik o'zinikini xohlaydi.
हाँ सर किसी भी जैसे पेशेंट को डॉक्टर ने बोल दिया कि उसका वो करना है बीएमटी बोन मेरो ट्रांसप्लांट करना है लेकिन उसका इलाज करने का भी कुछ ऑप्शन है कि नहीं कि पहले इलाज ही से देख लेते अगर इलाज नहीं हो पाए तो वो
Indication of BMT depends upon the stage of disease, type of disease. Suppose we are talking about leukemia, blood cancer. In leukemia, ALL or acute lymphoblastic leukemia usually does not require any bone marrow transplant. especially in children, and patients usually respond very well to chemotherapy. Patients who are not responding to chemotherapy or they have relapse, we offer them bone marrow transplant. On the other side, if patient is having AML, most of the patients will need bone marrow transplant after disease control. In multiple myeloma also, we offer transplant to fit patients to give them a very good disease control. In lymphoma, transplant is offered to patients who have relapsed. It is not given in patients who are newly diagnosed, because most of the patients are cured with initial chemotherapy only. So it depends upon which disease we are dealing with and what stage the disease is.
birinchi diagnosga tekshirishga diagnoz qilib ba'zi diagnozlarga sunaka ki birinchi ular ximiya bilan ham yaxshi bo'lishga ehtimol bor. Agar ximiya unga yordam bermayapti, bu masalan unga transplantatsiya qildirish kerak. Ba'zi narsa nima bo'ladiki, doktor aytgan bu yerda diagnoz qiladi, diagnozga qarab birinchi ximiyalar beradi. Ximiyalardan taxminan agar 100 ta odam bo'lsa 80-90 odamlar ximiya bilan yaxshi bo'ladi, operatsiya kerak bo'lmaydi. Ba'zi odamlarga operatsiya kerak bo'ladi, lekin u diagnozga qarab leukemiya bormi yo limfoma bormi yo nimadir diagnozga qarab aniq keladi. Aniq keltirgandan keyin birinchi ular lecheniya bilan maslahat hal qilishga harakat qiladi. Agar u lecheniya ximiyalar yordam beryapti, to bu masala hech qanaqa transplantatsiya kerak emas. Lekin agar ximiya yordam bermayapti, to oxiriga transplantatsiya bo'ladi. Yana nima savol bor?
Endi bu doktor ham o'sha o'ziga yarasha ko'rsatkichlari boyagi nimaga aynan bu doktorni olyapmiz, boshqa doktorlar ham ko'p-ku. Aynan bu doktorni olishimizga sabab bu doktor to'p qanaqadir ko'rsatkichlari bor. O'shani ham
Bu doktorga sabab bor-ku, bu doktorga chaqirgan juda ko'p klinika. Keling bizlar bilan ishlaysiz, keling bizlar bilan ishlaysiz, keling bizlar ishlaysiz. Hozir siz ko'rasizki, Hindistonga, ya'ni eng kuchli birazdan 3-nomerda turar ekan. 3-nomerda turar ekan. Bundan keyin narxlar, hamma narsa bo'yicha u ojiz yordam beryapti. Kasallarga ojiz kirayapti. Ertalabga chiqadi, obedga, kech paytga chiqadi. Nimadir bo'lyapti, hamma narsa o'zim kontroldan keltirib beryapti. Ya'ni aytgan narsasi-ki, u pul bilan ishlatmayapti, kasallar uchun ishlayapti. Bu yerda juda ko'p vrachlar bor. Ba'zi pul bilan ism olmayman, ba'zi pul uchun ishlayapti, ba'zi kasallar uchun. Unga niyat u-ki, agar mening kasal bugun yaxshi bo'lsa, to men kech paytga normalni uxlayman. Tushundingizmi?
Keyin bu elektr ko'chirishda normal narxlarini chiqarsak bo'ladimi? Normal narxlar.
Sir, ये कार्टी सेल जो है और ये BMT है बच्चों का और जो बड़ों का, उनका रेट प्राइस क्या है?
Price depends upon the type of indication, whether patient requires autologous transplant or allogeneic transplant. In autologous transplant, cost depends upon indication. In multiple myeloma, usually the cost is around 15 to 16,000 USD. In multiple myeloma, in lymphoma, it can go up to say 21,000. And in leukemias, depending upon full match or whether patient has half match, we give cost, which ranges from 25 to 27,000 USD in full match versus 34 to 37, 36 in half match transplant.
Hozir bu yerda 3 xil birinchi ilk o'chirish 3 xil bo'lyapti. U 3 ta diagnozdan chiqadi. Bitta o'zimga arga hujayraga oliv operatsiya qildiradi. To u 2000 dan 21 mingdan 22 minggacha ketadi. Ba'zi 15 mingdan 16 gacha ketadi. Ba'zi borku ki donor bilan operatsiya qildirishga donordan bo'lmaydi. To agar kimniki 100% hamma narsa yetadi, hamma narsa borku matchlar normalna chiqsa, to u 25 mingdan 27 ming. Agar kimniki yarim foiz tushsa, to ularga 36 mingdan 38 ming atrofda shunaqa pul ketadi. Sir, what about CAR-T cell?
So CAR-T cell is a procedure in which we retrain body's immunity, and after fighting with cancer for a long time, body's immunity becomes fatigued and it becomes weak. So we take out cells from the body, we train it and we give it back. Cost has come down. Previously, we used to give cost which was high, but now we are able to give very reasonable cost depending upon the type of patient fitness. It varies anywhere between 50 to 60,000 USD.
50 to 60.
55 to 65,000 USD.
Jera kartisel yangin sakke gane kan yani kim dur on ildan on besildan fakat suna ka problem bilana और याफ्ता तो उनका डॉक्टर ला रहा था इल्ली कुछ रसदान बोल में था सुना का नर्सदान बोल में था तो वो नर्सा करा वो काटती चल के लाता उसका ना नर्ख तखमीना इल्ली बेस मिंगदान ऑलमोस्ट बेस मिंग डॉलर का चक्कर था और वो नर्सा यानी कसर लारगा यांगी हयात का बेरी सेशन जुदा याक्षी योरदान बेरी याफ्ता
Şimdi bunu şu kartisel dese prosta namını düşünmediğinler var ki ne menerse.
वो कार्टिसल अंका लोगिया सुना का बित्ता कसल बोर और जो लिचिनिया ऑल याफ्ता उस चीज का सुनत्री बेरादा उन्दान हम वीडियो किला में माइला ओके थैंक यू सर